With the evolution of technology in recent years, the concepts of cloud, Internet of Things, IoT, and digital technology have been continually applied to the clinical and medical fields, providing a more personalized, diversified, and high-quality healthcare service has gradually become a development trend of healthcare technologies. ITRI's AM as a service integrates scanning, 3D modeling, structural and AM process analysis technologies to develop 3D printed assistive medical devices. ITRI has been collaborating with the medical team at Mackay Memorial Hospital. 4 personalized 3D printed assistive medical devices have been successfully developed by the Professional Alliance. With the blending of knowledge related to medicines and engineering, customized assistive medical devices are designed and manufactured via a cloud-designed-based service platform. The covered fixing methods, coupled with the close-fitting and lightweight designs, endow an assistive medical device with the ability to breathe and a more elegant appearance. Such a solution can help to improve the traditional plastering method adopted for outpatient rehabilitation in a hospital and reduce discomfort. The rapid 3D scanning system developed by AM as a service, taking the depth calculation with multi-sensor capturing system and 3D data registration technologies. The scanning and modeling of a 40-centimeter long limb can be done within 10 seconds. 3D data is reorganized instantly during the scanning process to generate a complete and delicate 3D model. Moreover, ITRI developed a handheld scanner that is stable, lightweight, and easy to use. It can be used to take an image of any body parts of a patient. Through the cloud service platform, a physician can provide a designer with a patient's requirements for an assistive medical device according to the 3D scan file. ITRI can rapidly compile scan data on hand and wrist from the aforementioned 3D scan file via the rapid modeling technology based on a physician's recommendation. A 3D design model for an ergonomic assistive medical device can be rapidly established by integrating the designs of surface cut, thickness extrusion, and personal patterns, as well as the method of mixing fasteners. The completed design of an assistive medical device will be checked by a physician to assure it meets the patient's physical and functional requirements. The image file checked by a physician will be carried out into a medical analysis. With deploying the adequate boundary conditions, the medical analysis ensures the assistive medical device possesses enough rigidity for the rehabilitation of the patient. The distortion and distribution of thermal residual stress resulting from a selected 3D printing process is predicted by simulation. This information will be provided to a designer for conducting optimal design that the production quality and yield can simultaneously be improved. Along with ITRI's AM as a service platform, printing equipment is installed to print 3D printed assistive devices that satisfies various personal requirements. With AM as a service to ITRI and Mackay Memorial Hospital have developed the 3D printed personalized medical assistive devices for the Carpal Tunnel Syndrome and Stenosing Tenosynovitis, as well as ankle-foot orthosis and pediatric upper limb prosthesis. Through the AM as a service, communication between doctors and medical device suppliers can be more timely and effective. In the future, the capabilities of AM as a service will be used to develop more 3D printed assistive medical devices, surgical guides, and medical implants.